State Fair winner, also the points champion this year for the I-2P. On our Pro Modified four-wheel drive trucks, we're waiting to see if we're going to leave the slit set as is and if he's going to take that hook. In the meantime, let's go green over here on our Pro Stocks. Hesden Lemke, Ellenville, Wisconsin, the new Generation Plus. Hesden Lemke sitting on top of 306.04, and the bike combiner Dennis Schnittger 300.56. Here comes our third hook in the class. Money on Black, Peter Norton from Franklin, Indiana. Once again, total of 11 Pro Stocks here tonight. That's where that leader pylon sits. Sitting at 307.08, courtesy of Peter Norton, Money on Black. From Stewartson, Illinois, here comes Nick McCormick, and nasty stuff. Broke the internet last year. They revealed it. First hook on the track was at the Shy Diesel Extravaganza last year at the Wagler Motorsports Park in Lyons, Indiana, August of 2020.
Echo DT275. Young man out of Williamsburg, Missouri, Mr. Brady Tramick, the young blood.
Catch the Lucas Oil Pro Pulling League. All right, here we go. The billet binder, Jack Mace, Amity, Missouri. Our current leader, Braden Schrammick, Youngblood 309 and 92.
Notes you definitely down a cylinder.